Hey y'all, I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. So today I am going to show you guys how I make some inexpensive Mother's Day gift baskets with items that I have in my stockpile. If you guys had shopped after Christmas clearance from Walmart, you guys should have these in your stockpile. So these Bloomfield body scrubs, these were normally $3. But I got these at 90% off, so I paid 30 cents for one of these. Let me see what scents do we have. I know that's lavender. Which one is this? Does this have a scent? Okay. Lime, fruit extract. Whatever. So this is this one, yeah, the yellow one, the purple one, and the blue one, whatever the scents are, but I figured the purple one is lavender. Here I have this aromatherapy collection, Relax Rose. This is a pillow mist with an eye mask. These were normally $3. Come on, focus. These were normally $3, so 90% off. These were 30 cents. These are 3-piece Tuscan Hills scented body butter. These were actually I got these for I got these for 70 cents for these. I got these for 70 cents. These Bodycology set, if you know Bodycology, Walmart had these after Christmas clearance. These were normally $4.98. I got these for $125. When they were 90%, was it $125 I got it for? I think it was $125 I got it for. These hand cream from Happy Place. These, what's the regular price on these? Let me see. And I'll tell you all how much I pay for them. How much was the price of this? This doesn't have a tag on it, so I don't remember how much these were. So with this Bodycology, I have the Cherry Blossom and I have the Pink Vanilla Wish. These also came from Walmart. This is the lip balm, pillow mist, and eye mask. These were normally $4.98. I got these for 49 cents. These Body Fantasies. This was normally $4.98. I got this for 49 cents from Walmart. These Tahiti Island, this came from Dollar General. This I got for 50 cents. What else? This, For the Body Fantasy, I have 3 different scents. Oops. Perfume down. So I got this one. This is Timeless Scent. This is Lovely Scent. And this is limited edition. So this have 3 different scents. 3 different scents. 3 different scents. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I put this together. I also got these bags from Temu. Let me tell you, if you all ain't buying from Temu, y'all are missing out, okay? These bags came from Temu. These are 2 in the pack for, I believe, $106. I bought some that were $106, and then about a couple days after I purchased some of them, I got a text that the items in my cart was on sale for, I forgot how much % off, but I got this actually for 6 cents, so I stocked up on a whole lot of these. This one says Mama Thank You. This is pink. This one says Mother's Day. This is pink, red, and all that good colors. This one says, it still says Happy Mother's Day or Happy Mother. Let's see what this one says. This one says Happy Mother. This is in the purple and pink and green. This one says I Love You, Mom. That's in blue. This one says Mom. This one says Happy Mother's Day. So I've gone ahead and create one bag already. This is simple, easy peasy. Hey, it takes time to wrap those postal boxes. It takes time to put items in a basket, hey, I'm like, you know what? Let's get some of these bags, like how we did this for Easter. Get you some of these bags. I think Dollar Tree sell these bags. I'm not sure if they sell the ones that says Mother's Day, but they have some little, pretty cute bags that you could use. All I did was at the bottom of this, I put some bubble wrap. Yeah, bubble wrap. I didn't do the go the newspaper route. I got some bubble wrap from my job. They were throwing all these bubble wrap out, and I'm like, I will take them. So I took all these bubble wraps and I put them at the bottom of the bag. This gives it a more sturdier fit, instead of the newspaper where you have the different, the different holes, and but with the bubble wrap, it sits perfectly in the bag. You could cut it down to size. It sits perfectly into the bag. And then let me bring it up closer. So here I put one of the body scrub, the pillow mist and eye mask, the body scrub, and at the back I have one of the body collagen set. This have a sock, the body lotion, and the body perfume. So this is it, and I tied it right here with a ribbon. I'm gonna put a little bow on it so it kind of look, presentable. So I'm going to go ahead and put these together and come right back. This is something else that you guys could do. You see, when you cut the flaps off the boxes, don't throw them away. Don't throw them away, okay? I know it might be a lot of clutter, but put them into a box, a bag, something, and tuck them away. If you have a garage, put them in there. You have a corner you could put it, just tuck it away, okay? Because I didn't throw those flaps away, and then what I did was I measure it, and cut it and put it at the bottom of the bags to have it sitting up more sturdier. Okay, that's what I did. So for this one, I've gone ahead and put the bubble wrap in, and then I put a piece of tissue paper over it. So I'm gonna fill, let me see how much I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have one already done, one that's filled with the bubble wrap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the bubble wrap. They already have the cardboard at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the bubble wraps at the bottom, and come right back. Okay, so here I put the bubble wrap in all of these bags. You could use the bubble wraps that are have this bigger pop. I love to pop these. Or you could use the ones that have the little teeny pops. Okay, so I put these in there. So I'm going to put the tissue paper over this and come right back. Okay, here I have put all the tissue paper in the bags. So let's see. I'm not going to add the shreds at this point. I am going to pack, I'm going to place the items in the bags, and then if there are any holes, then I'm going to go ahead and put the shreds in there instead of me putting all the shreds across it. No, that's waste of shreds. Yeah, even though I got them like for 3 cents per bag for the shreds, I am not going to waste it, okay? I ain't going to waste my shreds. So I'm going to put the items together, put them in the bag, put them in the bags, tape them together and all of that good stuff, and come right back. Okay, so this is what the end result looks like. So in this one, I have the Happy Place set in this one. This is what I have, like not a 360, but a back and front. This is what the back looks like, or it could be the front. And let me show you what the other side looks like. And this is what the other side looks like. So now I am gonna pull the handles up and I'm gonna tie it like how I did this. Then I'm gonna put a bow right here. So this is one, this is one, this is the back or the front, and here's the other part. Here's the other one. I'm gonna leave it just like this. I'm not gonna, all I'm gonna do is put the shreds, push it down in there when I'm ready to, you know, take it out to sell. This one, I didn't have any more of these. I didn't have any more of these, so I put this foot care duo in this one. So this is my finished product. So I hope you guys like these. Let me know what you guys would have done differently. So let's check pricing. Let's check pricing for, let's say this one. This was 75 cents. This was 30. So 30 and 30, 60 and 75. That's what, 135. 135. The 135. The bag was 50 cents. 185. This was 49 cents. So call this $2 with the shreds. Let's say this cost $3. This whole entire thing cost me $3, and I'm gonna sell this for, I'm gonna sell this for $20. Reason being, it cost me $3. I'm gonna sell it for $20. Reason being, you have some people who don't have money to buy an expensive basket. You might have some people who want to buy, you know, gift baskets for, say, 4 people. So this is an inexpensive way where they could buy 4 items, 4 gifts for $80, because I'm gonna sell this for $20. 4 gifts for $80 instead of them buying 4 gifts at $50 each. You see what I'm saying? So I have gifts for $15. Yeah, some people gonna say $15. That low? Yes, I have gift for $15, $20. The ones for $15, in there I have a coffee mug. I have a little hand lotion. I have a little body spray. One of the what you call it? Whatever, Fantasy. One of these Fantasy perfume. I opened a couple of the boxes and I made them into smaller gifts, like that one sitting right there, that coffee mug. It have a Freeman gel mask, a hand lotion, that spray, and a prayer card for $15. Now, you have some people who will say, okay, I prefer to buy this for $20, which me personally, I would put the extra $5 and buy this for $20. I would. Or should I sell this for $30? I don't know. You know what? This is going to be $25. This is $25. I'm not going to sell this for $20. This is going to be $25. $25. Okay. Because if I had a choice between that cup for $15 and this for $20, I would buy this for $25 more. So I'm going to sell this for $25 and I'm going to sell the cups for $15. So someone might, you know, buy 2 for $30 for the small ones, 2 for $30, and this is 2 for $50. Someone might buy the 2 for $50 instead of buying one of the gift basket for $50. That's what I'm saying. So this is $25 and that small one is $15. Yeah. I have to cater for people who don't have money, and I also have to cater for people who are in between, and I have to cater for people who have big man money. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So yes, y'all. So this is some simple stuff that you could put together. If you are not ordering from Temu, you guys are wasting your time. You should be going over to Temu and order a lot of stuff, because Temu is the new $1.25 tree. Yeah, Temu is the new $1.25 tree. I prefer to buy things from Temu because these things from Temu, you could, okay, for instance, there was this item I saw at $1.25 tree, and at Temu it was 69 cents. I believe it was the loafer sponge. Yeah, $1.25 for one, and it was 69 cents, somewhere 49 cents depending on the thickness of the loafer sponge. So guys, download the Temu app. I'm gonna leave it in my description box. Every time I said I'm gonna do it and I never do. I'm gonna try and remember to leave it in the description box so you guys could download the Temu app. If you have not downloaded Temu app as yet, download it. I'm gonna put my referral code so you guys could use my referral code, and I think I get a percentage once you guys sign up on all of that good stuff. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all, I'm at what, 1.6 subscribers? Yeah, it's getting there. And I appreciate it a whole lot, guys. Thank you very much. Take care, you all, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.